2-player set. Add more players to your table tennis games with ease with this all-in-one 2-player set. Set includes 2 table tennis paddles and 3 table tennis balls so you can get in the action. Superior speed and spin. The pebbled rubber paddle faces are perfect for putting spin on the ball without sacrificing speed for superior control. 5-ply wooden handle. The 5-ply laminated wood handles are comfortable to grip and durable enough for the long haul. Perfect addition to your set. This kit is the perfect addition to any table tennis table set so your family and friends can join in on the fun. Top reviews from the United States. Virtually indestructible. Lasted 3 weeks. I get very upset playing table tennis, and as someone who owns a budget, $30, table tennis racket, I worry I will throw it across the room and break it or slam it on the table and wear off the edging. I bought these with the intention of throwing in my frustration, but was pleasantly surprised by the durability. The first 2 I bought lasted a surprising 3 weeks before one ended up broken by my knee and the other giving into the abuse of being slammed on the table, thrown at the wall, and overall just being abused. I reordered a second set and am hoping these will last me a while longer. Also, they work decently and make funny noises when they hit the ball, but forget trying to add spin, it's just impossible with the material they used. You get what you pay for, great for beginners and those that get angry.